Hello guys and welcome to Painting Panthers. My name's Christian and today we're going to be reviewing the Italeri 172 Alpini Italian Mountain Infantry box set number 6059. Now this particular box set was purchased on eBay and you can pretty much pick most of these up second-hand or pre-owned on eBay. It's a brand new set, so I'm going to open it up and find out what we've got inside. So as you can see, we've got pretty much, it's like one sprue connected, but split into two essentially. Now I can see straight away off the bat there's a variety of different types of infantry, but not a massive variety. So there is a little bit of differences here, but not too much. You can see there's one sprue here that's pretty much all exactly the same, and the other one has a mule and a few other bits on it. So yeah, very interesting. So if I sort of dissect this a little bit better, you can make out that there's three sections in terms of what you're actually getting. Now with that in mind, I'm going to take a closer look. So you can tell these are the Italians with both their helmets and hats. We've got their feather coming off their helmets and hat, a variety of different weaponry and equipment, which is a nice touch. It is also changing in terms of position of bags, which is nice. I love the fact they've got the mule as well as the bloke skiing. I think that's a really cool touch. We've got a nice officer here as well. So this is going to make some fun painting when I get around to doing this particular part of the sprue. I think I'll definitely do something, maybe a little diorama, who knows. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see that. But yeah, a very cool little sprue. That's the first half, and then if I have a closer look at the second half, this is all exactly the same. So you're going to get all of these models. So the guy shooting and sort of walking for a grenade and two SMGs, they're all exactly the same on this particular sprue, all looking very, very good indeed. So they paint up really well. He's not my best, I will admit, but he's painted up pretty well. The actual model is in the typical sort of Italeri hard plastic now. They're not so soft like Revel. They clean up relatively well. There's the odd little bit that's a bit difficult and I just gave up with it. But for the most part, cleans up really well. Looks pretty good from a distance as well. Lovely detail on the SMG as well as the rest of the uniform with all the creases and such. So yeah, really interested to know how you found this Italeri Italian box set. I'm still a big fan of the German winter one. That's still the winner for me, but I do like the addition of the mule and the guy skiing. So yeah, very, very good. I just wish there was a little bit more in terms of variety in models. I mean, there is a few different models in there, which is cool, but there's so many spaces for models. I just wish they added more. But yeah, that's just my wishful thinking. Let me know in the comment section, and keep an eye out for the video that's going to come in just a couple of days time where you can see me paint this guy up. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll catch you at the next one.